Morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have a mild start and mostly cloudy sky across the area. And I see, in general, pleasant conditions across the region today. Some slightly breezy southeasterly to southerly winds this afternoon, gusting to 23 to 24 knots. So a slight chance we see a wind advisory for later this afternoon. Temperatures will be mild today in the mid-60s, so about average for this time of year. And looking at precipitation chances near zero for today, as well as lightning chances. So in general for today, a fair day across the region, other than the slightly breezy winds. And moving into the overnight hours, we'll see a weak boundary move towards the region. It's going to give a slight chance of a rain shower by tomorrow morning, and we'll see those temperatures remaining mild overnight as well. So looking at our current surface analysis, we do have this warm front off to our south, area high pressure over New England off to our north. This warm front is going to continue to slowly move north of the region for today into the overnight hours. Then we'll see this cold front currently across the Midwest into the western portions of the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, moving into our region for tomorrow morning. That's going to give us a chance of a brief shower across the region. So looking at our current observation, we have a scattered deck at 6,500, broken deck at 25,000, southeasterly winds 11 knots, temperature at 59 degrees, and relative humidity at 55%. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a good amount of cloud cover across the Mid-Atlantic region this morning. Currently seeing a brief break in that cloud cover here over at Wallops, but overall going to see clouds around 5 and lowering down to around 3,000, 2,500 feet for later this afternoon. So a fairly cloudy day across the region today, especially during the morning into the early to mid-afternoon hours. And then we'll see those clouds continue to move off to the north and to the east with that warm front approaching from the south. And taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see here, in general, a good amount of cloud cover across the region today. We'll see a break in that, as I mentioned, later this afternoon, and mainly just some serious cloudiness after that. We'll see this cold front and showers start to approach from the west and the northwest for later this evening into the overnight hours. Those showers won't get into the region until the early morning hours or around dawn on Tuesday. You can see here seeing some shower activity around 8 local on Tuesday morning, and that'll linger throughout the morning hours. Looks like we could see a brief shower until about noon, or possibly 1300 local tomorrow afternoon. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a green chart in general for our precipitation. For today, we'll see a yellow for our winds at or greater than 25 knots. From this afternoon through the evening hours, we'll see a chance of a shower, as I mentioned, mainly after about 5 local on Tuesday morning. And we'll see a high today around 66, low tonight only at 60, with those temperatures not falling very much with the warm front moving through the region, giving us some warmer air in the region for tomorrow morning. And taking a look at our terminal forecast, we'll see in general some ceilings around 5 to lowering to 2,500 feet throughout the afternoon hours. And then by the late afternoon, the evening hours, we'll see VFR conditions. And then by our tomorrow morning, we'll see in general mostly cloudy skies, ceilings around 6,000 feet. We'll also see a slight chance of a shower after 5 local until 8 local on this terminal forecast, with a prob 30 there for our chances of a shower. Our tides are running normal, and looking at our Tuesday into Wednesday, we'll see Tuesday mostly cloud overcast, chance of showers in the morning and the early afternoon. It will be warm, however, with a high of 78 degrees, especially during the late afternoon, warming up, seeing those yellow chances for our precipitation around a 20-30% during the morning hours. And then for our Tuesday night, we'll see mostly to partly cloudy conditions, continual warm conditions for the overnight hours, a low of only 57. And for our Wednesday, mostly to partly cloudy skies, slightly breezy onshore flow. That's going to cap our highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s right now, going with a high of 70 degrees. Should see a green chart across the board for Wednesday as well. Those slightly breezy onshore flow should only be reaching around 19 and 20 knots, so it should be well underneath that 25 knot criteria here. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.